Guys, look at this definition. I can't. Hiya beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my aloe vera treatment. So I've created an aloe vera treatment video in the past, however I actually needed to make an updated video because I kept getting like pieces of aloe vera stuck in my hair and the pulp would get stuck in my drain. So I did an entire new method of how to make aloe vera gel for your hair. Before we even get started with today's video, I want to let you guys know that aloe vera is good for all hair types. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a very fine curly hair. My hair is more on the thinner side of the spectrum, but if you guys are watching this and you have thicker hair or different textured hair than me, this treatment will also work for you. So make sure you guys stay tuned because I also share what shampoos, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner I used for my hair at the end. So if you guys are interested to see how I make my aloe vera treatment for fuller, longer, thicker hair, continue watching. But before we get started in today's video, you already know I have to give a major shout out to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you want a shout out like them, all you have to do is click the notification bell. Let me know if you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you guys a shout out on my next video. So I'll be uploading videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you guys let me know if you're new down below, I'll give you a shout out on my next upload. All right, so let's get started with prepping our aloe vera. So I grabbed the juiciest aloe vera plant I could find at the grocery store, and before I get started on cutting it, I made sure I washed the aloe vera plant. So I like to cut off each end of the aloe vera plant. Once I've cut off each end of the plant, I like to toss it on the side. The main focus of this treatment is the middle of the aloe vera plant. That's where you'll get the most gel for a hair treatment. And I like to cut the plant into pieces. The aloe vera plant has pretty pointy sides, so I like to cut off each side of the aloe vera plant and then cut it into halves. So I'm going to be doing that for each piece that I cut out. I can't emphasize this enough, but make sure you are very careful when cutting the aloe vera plant because it is very slimy and slippery, so you don't want any accidents to happen. So make sure you're very careful when you are cutting the aloe vera. So once I'm done cutting each piece of the aloe vera plant, I like to take a spoon and scoop up all of that aloe vera gel into a bowl. You can use a knife at this point, but I would highly recommend to use a spoon for two reasons. One, it's far more safe to use a spoon than a knife because of the aloe vera being very slippery and slimy. And two, I find that using a spoon gets you the most aloe vera gel scoop out of the plant versus a knife. So I'm going to continue with scooping out all of the gel from all the pieces. So once I've scooped out all of the gel, I'm left with this beautiful aloe vera gel in our bowl. So the next step that is super important is to grab a strainer and strain out the gel. So I'm going to be separating the aloe vera gel from the pulp. This is important for two reasons. One, there won't be any pieces left in your hair, and two, it won't clog your drain. I've had to deal with both issues in the past, so that's why I wanted to share this new method with you guys. You can use your hands or your spoon to help you with separating the gel from the pulp. But once that's all done, I like to grab my spray bottle and my funnel to help transfer the gel into the bottle. Now it's time to apply this to my hair. So there is a ton of product buildup in my hair right now. So I'm going to section out my hair into 4 sections and slowly work with each section applying the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera absorbs into your hair so fast, and it has an amazing slip, making it really easy to detangle your hair. So as you guys can see, I used my finger to slowly detangle my hair, but you can use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. The reason why you see aloe vera associated with hair growth is because it really helps with treating the scalp. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know that I had to deal with scalp dermatitis, and that was a mess. Everything from hair fallout to breakage, everything happened in my scalp. So I like to do DIY treatments that target my scalp. Once the aloe vera gel is nice and saturated into my hair, I like to take a shower cap and leave it in for 1 hour. Take a look at the hair shedding. I experienced a ton of hair shedding, as you guys know, but I was absolutely amazed at the little amount of hair shedding I experienced when using this treatment. So this is what the final results look like after washing up my hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my hair. If you guys have been following me for a while, I have been taking extra care to my scalp. Like I mentioned earlier, aloe vera is amazing for scalp treatment, and I don't want to go back and get scalp dermatitis because that was a pain. So I'm going to continue on with doing the aloe vera plant treatment. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel just yet, make sure you subscribe to see the progress of using the aloe vera treatment. So I went for a cut last month. I believe it's been a month and a half since I got my last cut, and I've been seeing a bit of growth, but I think it has a lot to do with the aloe vera treatment. During like all my vlogs last month, I noticed that there was already a bit of growth, and I honestly think it has a lot to do with the aloe vera treatment that I've been using, because I was using that all throughout the holidays, and I have definitely seen a bit of growth, but also more of definition as far as like my color goes. I've never colored my hair. My hair is just naturally like a dark black color, and I've noticed that it's kind of like enriched the color even more. Okay, so let me show you guys the shampoo and conditioner that I used. So for shampoo, I used the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo from their Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I absolutely love this product. I've used their conditioner, their leave-in conditioner, and their mask from this line as well, and I absolutely love it. But I used that for shampoo, and for conditioner, I used Aussie Miracle Moisture. I absolutely love this conditioner. It's one of my favorites, and I was really happy to see that it came in this size at Walmart, so I picked this up. Unfortunately, the pump doesn't work on this, but as long as the product's there, I'm good. But I use this as conditioner. I left it in for a few minutes and then I rinsed it out. And lastly, for leave-in conditioner, this is my go-to. It's the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love this conditioner. I've been using this for years. Depending on your hair texture, I like to use a small amount and drench my hair with cold water. I know it's a bit kind of like weird, but like I don't like when products weigh down my hair, so that's why I can't really use heavy oils or heavy like leave-in conditioners. I've used a lot of leave-in conditioners over the years, and this by far really does give my hair the bounce, the fullness that I like without weighing my hair down. So this is what I use, and again, the last rinse is a nice cold rinse, and I know it's like not the most comfortable feeling, but it really helps with defining your curls. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. To get like a bit of definition in the front, I like to do a finger coil a little bit just to get a bit of curliness in the front of my hair. I don't finger coil my entire head because it'll just look a little bit too thin, and I like to have my hair as full as possible, so that's why I have you know, the curls in the front, I guess, the most defined, but that's because I like to finger coil my hair when I have a nice leave out. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But let me know what you guys think of this wash and go. Let me know what you guys think of this treatment in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you guys have tried this aloe vera hair treatment, let me know down below. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. This aloe vera treatment is by far one of my favorite treatments to do for my hair. It's super inexpensive. It's less than $2 at the grocery store, so you really can't go wrong. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And if you guys want that post notification shout out, all you have to do is click the notification bell. Let me know if you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you guys a shout out on my next upload. It's that easy. All right, guys, I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.